Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today this is day 5, week 2 of opening up 3 boxes a day for the Pixar. Unfortunately, yesterday was not a good day. We did not pull anything, so hopefully we make up for it today, and we pull at least a gold or a winner box or a red card or a black card or I don't know, a metal card, 101. We had to make up for yesterday where we pulled nothing. We haven't pulled a winner box this week at all, so hopefully we can get... Oh, there it is. There it is. Finally. We pulled our first winner box of this week. All right. So we already made up for yesterday. Yesterday we didn't pull anything, but a couple of just some nice 3D cards. So I'm going to leave that there because that's the winner box. And let's do the other boxes first. So yeah, we didn't pull anything good for the first. I mean, it's the first time in a long time. So we have been doing very well. Hopefully everybody's been enjoying these. Alright, well we got one winner box. Better than none. We have not been pulling out any winners, so... Well, except for those back there. We pulled those out the first few days. Oh, maybe we can pull out the legendary 1-of-1 card, which I have not seen anybody pull it yet. We have the Incredibles and an upside down soul card. It's in one of these boxes. I mean, I don't know if I have it, but it's in one of the boxes that haven't been opened yet. Either that or someone is hiding with it, or hiding with them. There's 10 different 1-of-1 cards that are out there, and hopefully we can get a gold card in these other side boxes, or maybe another patch. We've pulled 2 patches this week, which is amazing. Since there's only one patch per case, we looked out and pulled 2. I mean, there's a minimum of 1 per case, but I've only seen 1 per case, well, except for now. If that was the same case. Like I said, I've mixed up the cases before, so who knows? Need any cards? Feel free to go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. I have packs. You can buy the pack. 2 packs. I don't want to survive, I want to live. You can buy it by the box. You can buy the encased by themselves. I'll have these listed, but those be a little pricey. But hey, you're a collector. I got 2 bobs. You can buy 2 bobs at a time. Make them like bookends? I don't know. Wally and Hank. My trash is overflowing over here to the left of me. So, you hear a crash, it's going to be the trash falling down. I just hope the cat doesn't come by and knock it down. That won't be nice. Why is the second card upside down? Last few packs. That was weird. Come on. Come on. Find something good. Oh, we have a Wally and Eve. Lenticular. And Malin's Friends. We got a Dirty Rat Holder. And a Hector. Come on. Double Russell. What kind of pack is that? I want a refund on that pack. That's just wrong. I've seen a double Carl. Never seen a double Russell. Well, now I have, huh? We have Mama Coco. I wish these showed up on camera better, because these lenticulars are really sweet. They just don't show up on camera very well. Got Wally and a Dory. Come on, get a gold. Oh, we got another rat holder and a Buzz. Come on. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. Last pack of these 2 boxes. We got a Carl and a Merida. And if you guys want to look at that, there you go. You want to translate it? Doesn't translate very well. I mean, it's okay. Alright, let's see what's in these before we get to the winner box. Ooh, we have a Bo Peep film cell. Very nice, very nice. And, oh, double patch. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at that. That is 23 out of 166. What is this one? This one is 19 out of 166. So, man, we've had some luck. Well, luck on the duplicates. That's crazy. We have 2 duplicate patches and 2 duplicate Bob Pars. Alright, what's in the winner box? Can't get distracted. Can't just get distracted with the awesome embroidered patch card. Oh, no way! Look at that! That is freaking sweet. I almost cussed on YouTube. That is a out of 10 card. That is a black. Oh, 10 out of 10. Holy cow. That is super, super rare. There is only 10 Nemos. And I have one. That is freaking amazing. That is awesome. Holy cow, I did not expect that. That really made up for yesterday. Yesterday was a dud day. And today we got a patch card and a black Nemo. Oh my god, that is crazy. I doubt we're going to find anything else in these, but might as well rip them since we have them here. Holy cow. There was only 10 Nemos in the world, and I have 10 of 10. That will be going up on eBay. I don't even know how much to charge for that guy. That is amazing. The last Buzz and Woody are up there for 1,000, so I figure that's probably what Nemo's going to go for. Well, that is nuts. So I'm going a little bit fast, but we are running out of time. I got to get this up on TikTok too. And TikTok only allows 10 minutes, so that's why I kind of sped up. If you sit on the shelf for the rest of your life, you'll never find out. Alright, let's find out what this is. We have a film cell of Lotso. I don't know why I forgot his name. Well, because I was more interested in that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I'm going to go list that guy right there. Take care, everybody. Bye.